What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for a link. So if you ever want to share, let's say your YouTube channel or your any social media profile that you have, you can easily do that. But you'll need to have an app called QR and barcode scanner. So you open up your Play Store or your App Store and just simply go ahead and search for the QR and barcode scanner by QR code scanner tools there, and you can easily go ahead and install the app and open up the application. Once you have the app on your phone, just simply click the three lines in the upper left and then click on create QR. Now from here, just simply click the link and you can put in whatever it is. So let's say I'm going to type in abc.com as an example and just click the check mark on the upper right. And here is the generated QR code. So all we have to do is basically have someone scan this QR code, and they'll be able to visit that website. So you can put any of your social media profile or your website, whatever, any link that you have that you want to use. You can either share it by clicking share right here. You can open up the share button here and see your different application where you can share that, or you can just easily go ahead and save it, and you will see that it's saved into your pictures, and you can just share that with someone or send it in an email or whatever it is that you want to share. And that's pretty much it guys. Very easy and very simple.